Oh man, I clicked. Okay, so I guess good morning. My phone accidentally clicked record. I don't know if you noticed, but it's a different angle today. I thought I'd try a new angle. I didn't realize that this angle worked too. I never thought of it. But today, so yesterday I didn't post one, my bad. I ended up just staying at home and then I just laid in bed and then I got too lazy to go out. So I think I'll do 2 today, like I said. Happy December 6th. I think it's 6. I don't know anymore. Today I got Blue Bowl. It's basically an acai bowl place. It's customizable. It's super good. This is definitely my go-to place. So I got acai with chocolate granola, bananas, strawberries, blueberries, cacao nibs, and goji berries. And also, so before COVID, they used to have an option of oatmeal. It came back, but it's only 3 ounces, which I'm not really complaining, but they do have like an 8-ounce. Something about, oh God, it smells delicious. Oh, it's just literally oatmeal. So yeah, hold on. This makes my life complete. Look at this sad pimple right here. I've been trying to get rid of this one. And I have one right here. What I've been doing is I'll chop up turmeric. I'll use the mortar and pestle, I think. And then I'll slam it so all the juices come out and it's smaller. And then I'll put some honey in it and then I'll put it on my face. Let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes I do 20. Once you rinse it off, your face is literally yellow. It's just yellow because it makes your face yellow. So then you really have to wash your face afterwards because nobody wants to see your yellow dyed face. Look at that. Super good. Oh, this location is in Huntington Beach, across the plaza of a Walmart. Okay. So I'm going back to work Monday. That means I have to prepare lunch. Probably gonna go to Trader Joe's after this. Let's see. Gonna go to Dollar Tree, maybe Walmart, maybe Target to find the decorations because we're officially decorating the Grinch tree today. The Grinch tree. Let's just see how close it gets. Because literally the Grinch tree is just basically red and green. Super good. I don't really have a lot to say today. I guess this could be like a get to know me where I tell you like maybe 5 things about me. My name is Vivian. I'm Vietnamese. 23 years old. My birthday's on November 10th. I live in Orange County. For those of you guys watching out of state. Oh, I was like, what is this white thing? It's a banana. Look at that goodness. It's so good, you guys. And I get almond butter. Game changer. See, I graduated from UCR, class of 2019. Let's see. I have a family of 5, my sister, my older sister, my older brother, and then my mom and dad. The only 2 things you guys need to know about me: I love eating, hence these videos, and I love traveling. Traveling is like such a big thing. I just literally, right when I land from the airport coming back home from somewhere, I'm like already planning my next trip. Like I'm already planning my next 2 trips right now. I think it's 3 actually. Yeah, that's literally it. Okay, I put oatmeal. I think it really changes the game. Oh yeah. I go back to work Monday. Sorry guys. This just is so like refreshing and good that I don't even want to talk right now. So I finished half already. This is a 16 ounce. Yes, I finish a 16 ounce every single time. Fills me up all day. Grab my oatmeal. Grab a little bit of the acai. Pop it in your mouth. Still haven't gone Christmas shopping. I don't know. Tree's not even decorated and it's December 6th. It's a vibe. Such a vibe. Is this my hair? I don't know if you guys know. Back in July, I got a ticket for not turning my signal on. And I have not dealt with it yet. And it's due January 1st or January 31st. Either way. Oh yeah, another thing you should possibly know about me. I'm a huge procrastinator. Huge. Which is why every year, without fail, Christmas shopping does not happen until the week before. So I'm scrambling. I'm like, I don't know what to get people. Without fail. Every year. There's just one year where I wasn't working because things were a little slow. So I wasn't working for I was working very minimal hours. During college years, I'm in fourth year of college. And literally that year was the only year I only got something from my immediate family, which is my mom, my dad, my sister, my cousin, my sister's boyfriend at the time, her fiance, her husband now. I got presents for 7 people, and their gifts were like $10 each. I was like, I can't. I went to Marshall's, I just grabbed little things, and I was like, I don't got money this year. So you're gonna get like $10 items, which I know, like, it's just the thought that counts, but I was just so broke. I was like, I can't do this. All right. I'm gonna go now. This is just so good, you guys. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna figure out where I'm going. And then we'll just go from there. It's just a casual, lovely, slow Sunday. So, thank you for watching my very late, December 5th. Yesterday was December 5th. So, I will see you guys in my next one, which will literally be the same day for me, which is a win-win. So, see you guys in my next mukbang. Thank you for watching. Happy December 6th. I hope you guys are really enjoying your December, enjoying the holidays, even though with everything going around, you can still enjoy it. You can make it possible. That being said, goodbye. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you.